Hi, I'm Mike Schapoehler. I'm a product manager at Airline. We're here today at the Lancaster Science Factory to show a robot demo to a bunch of 7th graders. So follow me in. Everything's about science. So the goal today was to show 7th graders how robotics is currently in the world and what they could possibly expect in the future as they get older, to take the complex and make it simple. We have a TM robot from Omron with us. It's a collaborative robot, easy to program. We showed a video where there's a young boy who's 11 who programmed the cobot. It was simple. In less than a minute, he was able to teach them basically a pick and place application. That, I think, was their probably most favorite part, because they watched somebody who was their age actually do this. When they leave today, they're going to see that as they go to stores and maybe tell their parents, hey, do you know that this is automated? Do you know that this is automated? I'd like to thank the Lancaster Science Factory for having us come out. Amazing experience to teach these young future minds. If you out there have any robot applications that you would like to talk to us about, please contact us. Airlinehide.com is our website. Thank you very much. I appreciate you joining us. We're going to take a picture of you. There it is.
Hello, I am Tim, a collaborative robot from Omron.
All your phones, your earbuds, your watches, all of that stuff is now assembled by robots. So robots are the future. We're going to all be seeing it. You guys are going to see this even more than me. You know, it's no different than when you watch Star Wars, right? And you have the robot next to him helping him. Well, we're in that world right now where we're going to see more and more robots.